purpose of this video is to show how easy it is for a cloud retailer to automate offering a cash discount. By automating, I mean that it is a process that your cashiers don't have to think about. No manually calculating the cash discount or anything else. So let's add some items to our sale here. Want to get enough on here so you can kind of see what the actual discount would be. And we see total right now is $10.65. And right in the center of our taskpad here, we have a button for cash or debit discount of 2.5%. We can click or tap on that, and we can see that it has automatically applied that 2.5% discount. Now, if for some reason the customer changes their mind, the cashier can still cancel out and go back to the sale, and you see that now it's reverted back to the original price. So very simple, very easy, and one of those things that makes Cloud Retailer pretty darn cool. If you have any questions, the contact information will be in the video description. Thanks for watching.